I'd like to welcome everybody to the September 2019 meeting of the Homebrew Robotics Club. My name is Osman Arel. I'm the president of the club. For how many of you is this your first time at the club? Show of hands. 1, 2, 3, a few. Great. Well, thanks for coming. The way the meeting works is that the first part of the meeting, we'll go over any club news or any robot-related news that people have to share. Then we have show and tell, which will last about the first hour or so of the meeting. And then at 8 o'clock, we take a short break. And then at 8 o'clock, we have a presentation. And this month's presentation is by Ralph Canuck, our very own club member. And he's going to be talking about how to use Kalman filters. Let's see, another important point is the restroom. If you need to use the restroom is right through the doors that you probably came in, just to the right. Please don't wander anywhere else inside the Google building. Google is very kind to let us use the building, but it's very important that we respect their limits that they have put on us. So please don't wander anywhere other than this room and the restrooms. It's also important that you must have a badge as well, which is visible at all times. If you don't have a badge, you can see Dan over here in the black t-shirt.
Guest badges and regular badges in the back, right? Just right.
Okay. As far as club news, I don't have anything this month. Does anybody have anything robot related or anything that they'd like to share?
Next month is Challenge Month,
All right.
so I'll be bugging everybody on the mailing list. Everybody's on the mailing list.
What's that about?
Join the mailing list, get all the news and stuff. Mark Johnston, ladies and gentlemen. And also, there's a Mega Battle bot available on eBay if anybody's interested. I think the bidding's up to 62,000, something like that.
50 tons?
Quite a bargain. So yes, as Camp mentioned, our club is famous for our challenge meetings, which happen 3 times a year. Next month is the 3rd phase of the challenge meeting. And for those of you who are new, the challenges are a way to give you some inspiration and a project to work on, because it's hard to just start building robots without having something that you want to work on. Okay, so here's Wayne.
I'm Wayne, I'm a program chair, and there's been some conversation between various people of changing when we do our robot challenges. And one of the concepts is that we would go 2 talks, then a challenge, 2 talks, then a challenge, 2 talks, then a challenge, 2 talks, and then the swap meet. So, I'm just throwing this at you out of the blue. That is up for conversation. If we did this, we would start this next year. Okay, so if you have any opinions one way or another, come find me and let me know what you think. Okay, the concept here is to not have the challenge meetings all bunched together in the summer, spread them out a little more so we get more robots built, which is a good thing. Okay, and then I have one other question. Okay, I've been playing around a lot with Python 3, which is, Python 2 is going to be dying at the end of this calendar year, officially. I was wondering how many people would be interested if I did a Python 3, here's the new stuff to play with kind of talk. I'm seeing a fair amount of interest here. Okay, I'm going to take that as a yes. I'm probably going to take the Thursday meeting. No, that's right, not Thursday. The November meeting, Thanksgiving meeting, and do a Python 3 talk. Okay, thank you.
Great, thanks for volunteering to do that, Wayne. Anybody else have any other news or items to share?
We can talk about those boards if you want real quick.
Oh yeah, yeah, that would be great.
So I work at Lattice, and my VP said, we got to talking, I mentioned that I dabble in robots as a hobby, and he said, wow, that's cool. If they want free boards, it's okay. As long as they're, it's not crazy. So Anyway, I posted something on the, hang on one second, on the, yeah, I posted something on the Google group today about it, and I sent a couple of links and out about that. So feel free to check that out and let me know what you think. This is the one that I thought might be the most interesting, and I'll put this maybe right here where you can take a picture of it or zoom in on it or whatever. But it's kind of cool because it's a 2-board sandwich. I don't know if you can see that, but and one board is an Ultra Plus board. A lot of the open source third-party guys are targeting our Ultra Plus device. It's a small, low-power FPGA with like Ice Storm, that kind of stuff. And then the top board has a little camera on it, so you can do some basic, image recognition, that sort of thing, object detection, maybe orange cones, that kind of stuff, with it perhaps if you get into it. Anyway, so these aren't hideously expensive. I can get a bunch of these if anybody really wants to play with this thing. It's not a problem. And like that. And then I also sent a link for a little bit bigger board, one of our ECP5 boards. It's kind of a larger board, so I'm not sure exactly how useful that'll be for a robot, but maybe if somebody wants to get a little more serious and play around with something a little bit bigger, let me know. So I just wanted to toss that out in case anybody is interested. Let me know on the alias, and I'll bring some boards. Okay, great, thanks.
Okay, thanks, Ralph. Okay, anybody else have anything to share?
Can you do a personal note?
Pardon?
Can you do a personal note?
Yes, of course.
Let's give it a try.
Give it a try.
I'll know how to answer that question next time.
Hey, my name is Richard Wimmer. I'm the hardware director at Robotics. Cam works in my team. Thanks, Cam, for all the great help. Appreciate it. Just want to let you know that I decided to move on from the electronics development there, and I love startups, I love robotics, so I'm starting to go with feelers out to anybody has something, needs some help. About 20 years of electronics product development in that category. Love to hear about it. Cool. Thank you.
Excellent boss.
All right.